4 stocks under $1 to buy right now. Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology. And in this video, we'll be talking about 4 stocks which are under $1 and you can buy or sell right now. So what are the stocks? Let's talk about it. So basically, what are penny stocks? Please watch the video which I posted before that to understand what penny stocks are, what are the risks and benefits of investing into penny stocks. Penny stocks are all the stocks which are under $1, and please watch the video and then come to this video. So now let's talk about the number 1 stock. So the number 1 stock is GRE, which is Greenridge Generation Holding, and the current price of GRE when Bitcoin was going very high was 0.30 cents. Then it went to $1.40 and now averaging around $1 right now. The number 2 stock is Crown Electrokinetics, which is CRKN. So basically the company started by acquiring American 7, which is AMERIGAN 7, which is a company which provides antenna services and antennas. It is related to that. So basically they acquired the company, and it is a very optimistic move for the company. And into the future, the revenue is as the CEO said, the revenue will be much more, because after acquiring the company, there will be a huge growth of antennas by 2025. So they're expecting 30 million revenue by 2023, and with 20 million low shares, there are only 20 million shares of this stock right now. This will be a very huge growth stock into the future if everything works out. The number 3 stock is NOGN, NOGIN. Abbreviation for that is NOGN, and this stock only has 20 million shares, but it provides e-commerce technology and solutions to its clients. So it is a very huge booming company, just as Shopify, which offers you e-commerce platform to build and sell your stuff. So this is a stock which has been put into the radar of every stock market a guy who wants to invest into that. The fourth and the last stock is Novo Integrated Sciences, which is NOVOS. So basically they went into an agreement to buy SPAC and received 90 million in finances, and the exact details of the financial transaction has yet to be revealed because of the 8K filing. And I think this is a stock which can boom into the future, and that is my last stock for buying under $1. So this is it for the video, guys, and I really hope you like the video, and please do let me know in the comments below if you are investing into any other stock which is below $1, and I'll be very happy to read about it. And इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.